Did you know thieves once spent months digging through concrete just to pull off the perfect bank heist? In March 1972, United California Bank in Laguna Niguel was considered unbreakable. Its underground vault had never been touched, protected by cutting-edge security systems around the clock. Wealthy clients trusted it completely with their fortunes. But Emil Dincio's crew had been mapping the storm drains beneath the bank for months. They found a forgotten maintenance tunnel that led directly underneath. For several weekends, they worked only during construction noise from nearby developments. 15 feet of concrete and steel stood between them and $30 million. They used jackhammers, torches, and explosives to cut through the vault floor from below. During President's Day weekend, they finally broke through. Over 500 safety deposit boxes were emptied in 3 days, but one piece of duct tape with a single fingerprint brought them down. The FBI recovered less than $2 million. Perfect planning, one tiny mistake.